3rd of July, 2017. I guess it's 11:30 now. We're putting new brakes on Manny. We're trying to see what the old ones. Is that what you're doing? Taking the old ones?
Yeah. Now you can press the brake pads, the caliper.
Then ask yourself, when was the last time I had them cleaned? If you can't remember, or they're looking a little grimy, then it's time to bring them.
Red fine spot to get some blue brake.
I don't know if you could see out there. The hay bales.
Call Zero Res and they'll pre-treat, clean, and sanitize your carpet with their patented empowered water cleaning system that leaves your carpet free of residue and clean for months to come.
Tomorrow's 4th of July already.
3 rooms to be cleaned, and to each three solutions, you'll get the 4th room clean for free. Minimum supply. Call today, 92 Clean. That's 92 Clean. Or book your appointment online at ZeroResSpokane.com.
Came loose.
Zero Res carpets and air ducts. So
Hey, come on.
we're gonna have the party, man. Let's schedule it. Alright, Hudson. Hold on, don't move. Where is it? Well, you can't get in that car. Why not? Torque steel, man. Torque? Yeah. Invisible barriers makes it impossible to drive. Dude, we're just flying through Indian Street. Marijuana before it's rushed. That's for alcohol. I don't want to be arrested. If we're lucky, the sports field is here. Drugs or high is the DUI. Offenders number 1 is traffic safety commission.
Yeah, watch your face.
Hospital for Children has been sending love to the rescue, regardless of a family's ability to pay.
If you know a child we can help, visit ShrinersHospitalForChildren.org.
How the heck are you supposed to put a new one on if you can't get an old one off?
What's that?
You can't get the old one on there.
Oh, what? There it is.
Huh.
You can press the caliper so you can put the new brakes back on. The caliper comes out. You gotta push it in because as it's coming out, the material from the brake pad is wearing away. The new ones have it.
The show flies by. It is the fastest 3-hour. He's right. I don't know if it's a special clock that they use, but it's already 22 past the hour. Our next guest.
Here's the old brake pad.
Jason, I'm so glad to have you here. I have
We get the other one. We'll compare them
and last night Bo mentioned you might be on.
against the new ones.
I sent your second book, and I'm halfway through it. Thank you.
Well, come here. Here's the new one.
The second book, just so you know, Jason Wiley, I'll set it up and tell me the
Here's the new brakes. Oh, it's on video, not just you looking? Okay. And here's the old brake pads, and here's the new brake pads. How's the difference in the meat? A lot more meat on there.
Looks the same.
Not that, they ain't more that bad, are they?
Not bad at all. So we know that they're good for at least maybe another couple thousand.
We only got 5,000 miles on them, if we're thinking right. People we bought it from, they put it on about 1,000 miles before we got it. We only went 4,000 miles. Okay, so I'm gonna put these guys on. And anti-seize. Serviette.
Okay, I'll set this off for now.
Anti-seize.
research from Herbert Gutman, who